Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can buy Steam games with Apple Pay. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So there is no direct option of buying any game from Steam directly through Apple Pay, but there is a way on how you can get it is by just simply buying Steam codes, like Steam wallet code or gift cards. So if you could get a Steam wallet code like this, you could buy a Steam wallet code for Apple with Apple Buy. You can just directly buy this, and you just got to redeem the code and you get the balance to it. Or you could directly get gift cards, so you can buy gift cards as well. So yeah, after that you can just once you have a Steam currency in your account, and if you got a gift card, what you can do is just go to this game simply like this that you want to buy. So let's say this game right over here. So once you get this game, okay, once you get this game right over here, what you have to do is just simply press on add to cart and just press on view my cart. And right over here, you'll be able to see this game. Just go ahead and press on continue to payment. And once you do this, right over here, you'll see the option of this. But if you got like, Steam credit for you, like as we saw, like Steam Wallet, you can just directly pay, by not putting any information into it, and you can just directly do it, and it will work like that. So yeah, this is it. I hope this really helped you, and I'll see you soon in the next one.